Alright, hey guys, my fellow griddlers out there. Today we're making some fajita tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. So we are using the older model of Blackstone, which has the front grease system, which still works great. So before we start the video, I just want to tell you guys to check out our hardcover lids that we make for the Blackstone Griddles. They're made in USA and they look great. Okay, enough about our covers. Let's start this video already. So this is a really easy cook to do. All you do is go over to your grocery store and get a pre-made fajita mix from your meat counter and throw it on there. Just want to let you guys know that we are using only 3 burners and we're at medium low or so. And then what I'll usually do is I'll actually add cheese to the tortillas while they're still on the griddle. Let the cheese melt a little bit and then add the fajitas to the taco. Fold them over like so. And then for some odd reason, my brother and my dad, they didn't want to make their tacos on the griddle like I did. So yeah, we're going to scoop it up and put it on a tray for them so they can make their tacos inside, I guess. So yeah, this was a really easy cook to do. If you're having friends over, you want to make something real quick, just grab some fajita mix. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, make sure you guys check out our hardcover lids. They're made in USA and they look great.